Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I am going to show you how we can create a text portrait effect or simply a text effect in Photoshop. Now this is very easy to do. Anyone with a basic knowledge of Photoshop can easily do this. So let's get started. So first we need to select an image. Now remember, for it to be an effective output, we need to select an image which has a significantly larger head like this. Only then it will look good. So you can select this type of image, whatever image that you like. Now if you choose different images, then we can apply different effects, but for this particular effect, make sure that the head is visible clearly and it is big like this one, the face rather. Now I have taken this image, as you can see, in a separate layer. I will undo this and I have chosen white background. Now we need to cut it in half using the rectangle marquee tool like this. It doesn't have to be perfectly 50%. Just give it your best. Now go to edit and cut the layer. Now instead of pasting it directly, we can use paste special and paste in place so that it pastes exactly at the same position. Now we can see a slight line in between, but that is not to be worried about because we are going to hide this anyway. So what we are going to do is, now this is on a separate layer and this is on a separate layer. Now type any text that you want like this. I have written some random text, but two things to remember. One, the font, the text style of font, this has to be thicker, bolder like this. So I have chosen Poppins and black. As you can see, this is bold. And make sure, if you want, it is in capital letters so that the height is similar, but it doesn't really matter. You can type it in small letters as well, but I have chosen to type it in capital letters. Second thing, the line spacing, and as they call it in Photoshop, leading, it has to be smaller. Line spacing has to be smaller, like the lines almost touch each other, the text almost touch each other. So the line spacing is it should be smaller. These are the two things to remember. Only then the effect will be effective. So this is on the bottom layer and this is on the top. So simply right click on this layer and create clipping mask. So this is how it looks, but we need to hide the extra text. It is very simple to hide it. Now press and hold Control, and if you are using Mac, then press and hold Command and click. So the layer will be selected like this. Now make sure that your selection is of this layer, but make sure that you are on the text layer. Now I am on the text layer and apply layer mask. Apply layer masks. So the extra unnecessary text is hidden now. So this is how it looks. And as you can see, it is very easy to create. And if you want, you can change the background color. So let's say I want black color. So I already have this black color in the foreground. So I'll simply press Alt backspace to apply black color. So you think this looks better, you can keep this and use it in maybe some design, let's say some book cover, magazine cover, or any other design, so to make it effective. And if you want it in black and white, you can simply click on the top layer and use adjustment layer, black and white. So this is how it looks. So this is black and white, this is color. So whatever you prefer, keep it that way. But as you can see, this is very easy to create. Now there is another effect. Using the brush tool, we can make similar effect, but there is a difference in that. But this one is using the text itself. The other one is using the brush, converting text into brush and then applying it over here. But see, I will make another video for that. So give it a go. This is how you can create a text portrait effect in Photoshop so easily. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.